With energy prices surging and global fuel supply tightening, using electricity efficiently doesn't only help households reduce costs, it also eases pressure on the national power system. Consequently, more families and businesses are actively changing their daily habits to save electricity.
Unplugging appliances after use, installing smart systems to control devices via mobile phones, and making use of natural daylight are among the measures adopted by this household.
We prioritize energy-efficient appliances. It is also important to teach children to switch off lights and devices when they are not in use.
Beyond households, many businesses are also adjusting their electricity usage. At this cafe in Hoàng Liệt Ward, where space and equipment requirements result in high energy demands, energy saving is a key focus.
We set specific schedules for lighting and fans. As summer approaches and daylight increases, we rely more on natural light.
According to statistics, national electricity consumption nearly doubled between 2015 and 2025. Experts recommend switching off unused devices, using appliances efficiently, maximizing natural light, and carrying out regular maintenance. They also suggest prioritizing energy-labeled appliances or investing in rooftop solar panels.
This helps reduce costs, ensures fire safety, and contributes to energy security and sustainable development.
When millions of people change their daily habits, the collective impact can be significant. This is also the message of Earth Hour 2026.